Yeah, we had a workshop on ethics education and markets, and we looked at two questions really. Firstly, the effect of market thinking on ethics education, to what extent it was the cause of any problems we have, and secondly, in a market situation, how do we promote what we want to promote in terms of ethics education, and indeed what is it that we should be promoting. So the answer to the first question was quite interesting, because in fact the groups was inclined to think that ethics education wasn't particularly affected by markets. Being an ethicist myself, I have a rather pessimistic view of what's going on in ethics education, but people did point it out that over the last 40 years there has been an enormous growth in what people get in ethics education. One of the main causes of difficulty of getting ethics into the curriculum is that curricula are very crowded. And so one of the results of thinking about it in terms of market was it suggested that we have a market in ideas, and we need to, as it were, promote the ideas that we wish to promote within a crowded market curriculum. It was suggested another branding concept for markets was branding, and it was suggested that many students see ethics as fluff because they can't quite see how it's directly relevant to their work, and that perhaps we need to rebrand it in terms of and sell it in terms of its benefits in preventing burnout, in preventing moral distress, and perhaps a great concern to many young doctors, how not to get sued. There were a lot more ideas, of course, than I can tell you in this short time, and we felt at the end of the hour we had that we would only just started to scratch the surface of a very complicated issue.